Hey everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. Today is a special day and I thought we would take you along for the ride. Let's go. As most of you know, we have a senior in high school who's graduated, but of course amongst this chaos of this pandemic, it's still undecided and unsure when all of these things are going to happen, when he can get his cap and gown, when he can actually receive his diploma. It's been a bit frustrating, as you can imagine. But today is going to be a special day because I have a couple of ideas. This evening, our little area is going to be doing a special parade for the seniors. So we're getting ready for that as well. So first off, we need to head out, but gonna have some breakfast, quick breakfast. We are on our way now to Krispy Kreme, in which today is the day that they are giving a dozen free donuts to graduating seniors. Woo! Kobe is really excited to be graduating, and actually, if you ask him, these last couple of months haven't been a big deal to be at home. He just wants to hurry up and be done with school, which I think we can all relate with that. So let's head over to Krispy Kreme. So we just pulled up and the line wraps around the building all the way around and through there, but it's so awesome. I'm sure it's going by very, very quickly because I'm sure they have boxes just ready to give out to our seniors. But woohoo, so exciting. Okay, we just got some bad news. So driving all this way, they are out of donuts. And you guys, it's not even 10 o'clock in the morning. So we're gonna head over now to Chick-fil-A and just get a little breakfast for our graduate. And then we'll just start heading home, and then I'll take you along with me to somewhere else. So I have some other plans, but today's going to still be a great day. Right, guys?
Yep. Yes.
Right? All right, we're approaching the drive-thru, and you know, Chick-fil-A is so good at their drive-thru process. So it'll be so easy, and I can't wait to try their little breakfast. So I just thought I'd split some chicken minis and some hash browns with the boys. Everyone's pretty quiet back there now. Just like it should be when they're eating, right? Do you guys like those ones, the chicken minis? Mm-hmm. They're very, very good. I did forget, though, to get like some jam. I think that'd be really good on them, don't you think? I think the biscuits are good with the little jam. So let's finish up. I think Paul's going to be meeting us so that we can do a pass-off for his meal. We got him a little meal for lunch. These are the donuts that get delivered to the gas stations that aren't doing it during this time, but they have their headquarters open. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I've come already once, so this is our second time coming, and they're so good. We are just celebrating Kobe today, so we're gonna head home now and just do our normal regular cleanup and maybe a little schooling and stuff, but it's a good day. Okay, so I just finished like cleaning and doing some laundry. You know, the boring stuff, but I will say I am on a blinds kick just to make sure all that dust that's accumulated in the back corners of it, ew. So let me know in the comments if you get into cleaning sprees because, oh man, who needs the gym, right, when you're cleaning around the house? So I'm on my way to the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna get a few things and I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm so glad they have some soap. Well, another bust. So I know a lot of schools have been doing graduation drive-bys and parades. And so they, at my Dollar Tree, did not have any helium, but I did find some of these like these little balloons on a stick. So that will just have to do, right? And I have a couple other like decor that I can kind of decorate the front of the house for our parade. So that'll be happening around 6 o'clock tonight. And I just can't wait. It'll be so fun. Boys are just outside playing. Well, Ezra is. Where are you going?
Going to the park.
Well, you got to be back soon for your parade.
Yeah.
So we were just taking care of like Kobe's decor on our garage. And I just got those little balloons from the Dollar Tree. That's all they had. And some little decor. So I'll probably put some chairs out here for all of us to sit when the parade is happening. So it's getting close to dinner time. Paul's going to be coming home from work very soon. So I thought we would just make an easy dinner of teriyaki bowls, in which I have this Yang's chicken teriyaki. So good, you guys. And so to that, I'm just adding some broccoli, and I have some carrots softening up because I know they need a little more time. I might even add a little corn to it. I have some right here. Rice is already going, and then the festivities will begin. And it's done. So I'm just doing some more stirring, and the rice is done, and now it's time to dish up the bowls. And there it is, you guys. Super easy dinner idea that is really yummy. So I'm gonna go feed my family, then we're gonna get ready for a little parade. All right, so we've congregated out here, and we're just waiting for the parade to begin. We have the graduate. Woo woo. Okay, so he didn't want me to get the drums out and just make a spectacle of him. No, I mean me. It had been funny, but he didn't think it was that funny. Whatever. This is all for you. Are you so excited?
Yeah, totally.
This is so cute. I love it. And he just got like all these gifts.
If we hang out again, I'll get it, okay?
So what do you think about all this? That was so nice.
I like it. Yeah.
That was so awesome to see all those cars and everybody honking for you. Aw.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, let's go inside. I want to ask you a couple questions. Well, that was a special treat, don't you think? Oh, we just feel tons of love from everybody in our area, from our church. That was just super special. And he is right now looking at some of the gifts that he got, which is, just the best. We have the best people in our lives, and I couldn't be happier about all of this. But I have some questions for Kobe, so I thought we could interview the graduate. All right, so we got Kobe in the hot seat. So Kobe, tell everybody, are you 18? No, he will be 18 at the end of June.
Yep.
Yes. So, what are your plans after graduation?
Work full time, and then next year I'm going to go to college.
So he's just taking a year off, making some decisions. I've had some people ask, are you planning to go on a mission?
I am not.
Okay. And so, so he's going to do school. He's going to look for some full-time work. Also, right now you're currently unemployed, right, because of coronavirus?
Yep.
Okay, so do you have a wish that you want to fulfill sometime this summer? Something fun that you want to do as a graduating adult?
I want to travel the country.
Well, can we do that though? I mean, logistically.
Oh, just us?
No, not we. I mean, I'm just saying, like, you. Can you? I don't know if we can do that in planes. You might be able to buy a plane ticket.
Planes. Road trip.
Oh, that's what you should say then. Road trip.
Also, Camp Flogma. That's all.
What's that? Is that concert
it's
thing?
a music festival.
Oh, okay. So, sounds like you'll have some fun times ahead of you.
Yep. And
just know we very much love you. And super proud of you. And look at how handsome he is. All right. What a super special day it was today. Just spending time with Kobe, trying to make it an extra special day with getting him, some donuts. And too bad it didn't work out with Krispy Kreme, but that's okay. We still got some donuts and some Chick-fil-A this morning. And just being together with him and having that parade was like the the cherry on top of it all. So you guys, I'm just appreciative of all of you who are watching. Give the video a thumbs up and put down below some advice for the new graduate. Maybe he needs some more adult advice. So let him know some of your favorite things that you did as you graduated high school, or maybe just some good old-fashioned advice. So thanks for watching, rollers, and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.